Yeah guys, today what am I gonna do? I'm gonna cook lentil rice and peas and till mackerel. Guys, that one I go bad. Remember me tell you. Lentil rice and peas and till mackerel. So guys, what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna put on my lentil peas to go and boil. You understand now dude? And meantime my lentil peas are boiled. I'm gonna blend my coconut. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I don't do too much talking in that one. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so light up the stove now. Guys, so me two till mackerel, yeah, and the coconut. You understand now dude? Yeah, some lentil rice and peas and till mackerel. So guys, so my lentil peas what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rush off my peas and trim in my pack guys. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I light up the stove already guys, watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so the peas are going to boil, you understand now dude? So what I'm gonna do? I'm going to blend up some coconut. I'm going to see what I'm going. Guys, I be about this in our kitchen. Some lentil rice and peas and till mackerel. Guys, that one I go bad, me not lie if you tell you. I want you try that one. You understand me, I did? Yeah. Lentil rice and peas and till mackerel. Guys, try that one day. Yeah guys, so I'm going to cut up some coconut now. You understand me, I did? Yeah. Peas up on fire, cut up some coconut. Yeah guys, some bad lentil rice and peas and some till mackerel. Some dirty gal, two dirty gal. Guys, you see in life, when you make money or when your family them have money, never you hype on people. It have to turn right back around on you. So I want you think God asleep, God not sleeping, never you hype on people. So I go now. Yeah, gentle people, be a badness in our kitchen. Don't know things set up already. Them a try to stop me, but them can't stop me. Yeah guys, me almost done cut up the coconut now. Oh, you over this how you watch me pattern a bad mind. Let me tell you this. You not get none of my food. I know me make you have bad belly. Crave you crave now that's why you have bad belly. Stop watch me pattern bad mind. Guys, I no joke you know. You see that people over there so you know stop watch me pattern a bad mind. Now that's why she have bad belly. I want to leave it yeah. She have bad belly. Look how she belly big. Where you get that the bad belly there from? Me nah give you none of my food. Guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend up the coconut and make gonna sour go on and make the peas go and boil. See if surely badness in the kitchen. Soon come back, guys. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend up the coconut. Yeah guys, I'm gonna blend up the coconut and make gonna sour go on. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strain off the coconut and then put in a tray in a pot. Guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour in the coconut milk you know. So I'm going over here so. Yeah guys, so the coconut milk what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season up my pot you know. Put in some scallion and thyme and you don't know badness. You understand all the guys, be a badness in the kitchen now. You know when you come in the Nicholas kitchen, be a badness. Lentil rice and peas and till mackerel guys. Guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so I go season up the pot, scallion, thyme, the pepper and the garlic. You understand all the so guys, season up the pot, put some salt, yeah. So in the meantime guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up some season and fry up the till mackerel. You understand all the guys, a be a badness. Be a badness guys, guys. The lentil rice and peas are go bad. Yo, the coconut juice turn up in it guys, me not like it tell you. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up some season for the till mackerel. Guys, watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so this is my season for my mackerel. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash my rice and put in my rice and then fry up my mackerel. Guys, watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put my rice in my pot now. You understand all the so guys, I'm rice gonna cook. I'm gonna fry up the tin mackerel guys. Be about this in I kitchen. Lentil rice and peas, tin mackerel. Guys, a real ghetto style this you know. Real ghetto style. Yeah guys, so light up the other part of stove. So I'm going in a rice pot. Guys, I'm be about this. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a bag and cover my rice and put it on and steam. You understand all this? Yeah. Guys, I hear about this in my kitchen when I like lentil rice and peas and tin mackerel. Otherwise, dirty girl. Guys, hear about this. What I'm gonna do? Cover my rice and fry up my mackerel. So guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on over here so this is my seasoning. And some the high hat. So now we do pour it in. Guys, Be about this tonight. Believe that. Be about it. Guys, some rice over here for one steam out. I know some of them there. So now they have one curry seasoning, curry mackerel. Lintel rice and peas and tin mackerel, guys. Remember that. Guys, watch about this in our kitchen. We soon come back. Yeah, soon come back. Guys, be a badness. Watch over yourself. Rice and peas are gonna steam. Guys, we soon come back. Yeah guys, so this is my mackerel. And this some guys, watch about this in our kitchen. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look on the till mackerel and lintel rice and peas. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put some salt and black pepper. The salt, guys. I'm not gonna put too much. Yeah, that's good. Black pepper. So guys, I'm gonna make this one cook a little, then knock off the stove. Don't know about it. The rice and peas cut over there. So yo, be about this in a rice pot, guys. Be about this in the rice pot. Believe that. Dead gen cookie to the swab one like pot. Be about it. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. When it's in the plate. You understand? So guys, I'm not going to know. I'm going to knock off the tin mackerel pot. You understand now these? So guys, be about this. Be about this, guys. Just watch about this tonight. When you come in on Nicholas kitchen, just think about badness. Yeah, food come back. Guys, when I lie, I'm go make you see what going on in the top before we take it out. You understand now? So guys, watch what going on in my kitchen. Be about this. Yeah guys, this is the finishing look on the lintel rice and peas and till mackerel. Guys, I be a badness. See you in our next video.